Hey y'all, so we back. I do got this quick install for y'all. As y'all can see by the title, I did buy a weighted shift knob from Amazon for $30. Now, this is the shift knob right here. Silver, doesn't have anything at the top. If I had to say what it resembles, is a Raceseng shift knob. So I'll put like the price of that one on the screen. I think it's like $110 versus this one I got for $30. And they say that one, the Raceseng one, weighs like a pound or some change, and this one actually weighs pretty much the same thing. It says it weighs a pound, but actually feels heavier than that. Just to give y'all a quick size difference. As y'all can see, this one is like it's a different shape, but it also is just a little bigger than this one. I already did unscrew this one, that way y'all can see a little quick install process, because I know a lot of y'all know how to take it off. You just kind of want to see the result of a $30 weighted shift knob. Like I said, shift knob was $30. I'll put a picture of it on the screen, and I'll also put a link in the description. This is the box that it came in. It's kind of jacked up now, but it's nothing like super crazy. Obviously, you're not paying for packaging, you're paying for the material in general. So it did come with the thread adapters. It is a plastic one, it's not metal. This is actually metal. It's actually hot right now because it's hot outside, which is, I guess, not gonna say a downfall, but it is one thing to be, I guess, cautious about. If you don't want this to be hot or it's going to be a problem for you, and this probably wouldn't be the one for you. It does come with a thread adapter, so literally all you do is screw the thread adapter on, and then you just screw this one right on top of it. Like I said, I'm pretty sure most of you guys know how to do that already. So it's going to go down as much as possible, and it's tight right here. And as you can see, you can still pull the reverse lockout, of course, which you need that. And this is actually my first time with a weighted shift knob, even just changing shift knobs in general. And it's actually a lot easier to put in gears, like it almost just falls in gear for you. And I really like it. Like, I really like it. I have done some driving with it already. I will show y'all just some shots of me driving, but it's first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and then of course you have reverse. Like I said, it is a really heavy shift knob, and I really like it. I never knew why people got weighted shift knobs until I actually got one. So this one I do recommend getting. It's really nice, really fun, really clean, and it just blends in with, it just actually goes with the car in general because it is so simple. It's not nothing outrageous. I actually did order a purple one that's just like this one as well, so that should be here soon. But like I said, this is really fun. I will give y'all some driving clips of just me driving with it, but this, like, it almost makes it feel like a whole different car. I'm doing cosmetic stuff obviously to the outside, but as far as this goes, I feel like this would help with performance as well as just something different. Like, even just switching the shift knob literally makes it feel like you're driving a different car, and it's so much fun having it on. So yeah, let's get to some driving. Like I said, really easy install, don't take a lot of time, so I'm not gonna waste no more of your time. Let's get to some driving.
Also motion on the screen.